everybody, welcome back to Mixing with the Geek. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Coogee cocktail. Now this is a custom cocktail I came up with to pair with Tame Impala's Current, and I got the name from the Coogee Power Station, which is this abandoned building right next to the ocean in Perth, Australia. That's the west coast of Australia where Kevin Parker's from, and he found a lot of inspiration at this building. He wrote a lot of lyrics there and just loved being around it, so I thought that was the perfect name for this cocktail. It also features Creme de Cassis, which is basically black currant liqueur. I think you guys get the name. A little on the nose, but with all that said, let's begin. We're gonna start by chilling our martini glass and then set it aside. Next, we're gonna grab our mixing tin and add 2 ounces of Creme de Cassis, followed by 1.5 ounces of vodka. Now we're gonna add 1/2 ounce of Orange Curacao, followed by 1/2 ounce of lime juice and 1 ounce of pineapple juice. Now we're gonna add some cubed ice, and now we shake. Now we're gonna grab our martini glass that's been chilling and dump out the ice. Now we're gonna double strain the contents of our tin into our glass. And now we're gonna garnish with some berries. Here I'm using some blueberries, but you could alternatively use some black currants. And there we have the Coogee cocktail. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh. Oh yeah, that packs a punch, a fruity punch I might add. Well, this has been the Coogee cocktail. Hope you guys enjoy making your own. Be sure to check out my review on Tame Impala's Currents because they do go well together. Until then, be sure to enjoy responsibly. I'm your vinyl geek and I'll catch you on the flip side. Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching this Mixing with the Geek episode. Now if you want to see that review, I'll put a link right there, as well as a video that YouTube will choose for me. If you like what you see, I put new videos out every Tuesday and sometimes Friday, so have fun and click away.